Comrades, we said to them in the budget debate, take 2% of GDP of expenditure in addition to what you came with in the budget and use that to cushion the crisis. That's $40 billion. We see it coming and the people need the help. The pensioners need the help. NIS pensioners need a top-up. Poor relief, past beneficiaries, and most of all, the farmers, because they can't afford this fertilizer at $15,000. And when they don't buy the fertilizer because they can't afford it, the yields going fall, production going fall, at a time when the world can't supply us with the food we need, and the price is going to go up. And the people are going to suffer, and Jamaica is going to be in serious, serious problems. Comrades, I have to wonder about the Prime Minister. It's like he's living in a world of his own. I don't hear him saying anything about the crucial problems facing the country. I don't hear him saying anything about the crisis in education, which the Patterson report has highlighted and made recommendations. We don't hear anything about that. We don't debate that in Parliament. But we know that for Jamaica to move forward, we have to invest in our children. We have to invest in the early childhood education system. We have to invest in the primary school system. We cannot have a situation where close to half of the primary school students are not achieving the basics in maths and English and critical thinking. How are we going to achieve our 2030 goals if we don't invest and set the system right for the picking of them in the early stages, so that by the time they reach secondary school, they're well on their way to becoming productive citizens? It cannot happen unless we make those investments. Comrades, we know we have a terrible problem with crime and violence. All I hear from this Prime Minister is state of emergency, state of emergency, state of emergency. The state of emergencies have not worked. We had them from 2017 through to 2020, and the murder rate remained high. All that happened was the areas where they put the pressure, the man them leave from there and go create havoc in other parts of the country which were peaceful before. So we spread crime and violence all across the nation, where in places where traditionally there was peace and safety. All of a sudden with these states of emergency is sudden destruction. We know that to tackle crime and violence in this country, you have to give the youth them a chance. Those youths who went through the system and didn't get anything out of it because the system wasn't designed to help them. We need to give them a second chance in life. We need a national program to uplift those youths who are there on the corner, don't have no trade, don't have no degree, don't have no chance in life other than to go into badness and make life hell for the rest of the country. We have to give them a chance in life. We need a national program of mentorship, of retraining, of remedial education, and of job placements for the youths. We believe in the youth in this country, and the PNP government, when we come in next, will have to deal with these issues, because we want our country to move forward and achieve its true potential. We are... The next PNP government is going to take advantage of the economy that we fixed under the last PNP government. Over those 4 years, we couldn't do all of the things that we wanted to do because we had to set the thing right for the future, and it required hard work and sacrifice. But that has been done. But under this Jamaica Labour Party government, we're not building a country that has a sustainable future. We're building a topsy-turvy society with crisis here and crisis there, and no government focusing on the real issues to solve them so the people can move forward and achieve their dreams. We believe in the Jamaican dream, a society which is fair and just, where everybody has a chance to achieve their aspirations, where no Jamaican is treated as any better than anybody else, and where the system works for the people and doesn't hold down the people. And that is what our mission is. That is the mission of Norman Washington Manley. That is the mission of Michael Joshua Manley. That is the mission of P.J. Patterson and Portia Simpson Mill and Dr. Peter Phillips. And that, my comrades, will be the mission of Mark Jefferson Golding when we become the next government of this country. I feel the wind in our sails. I feel the momentum in our wheels. The PNP train is pulling out the station, comrades. Get on board. Do the work. Deliver the victory. One love, one heart. God bless you all, comrades. The word is love.